Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or transfer data from one Google Sheet to another Google Sheet. If you're working on more than one Google Sheet simultaneously and you want to transfer data from one Google Sheet to another Google Sheet, you have to watch this video. Go to the sheet where you want to transfer the data from the Google Sheet. You have to click this function bar. Click this function bar. You have to put a function. Press equals to. The function is import range. Next, you have to put the URL of a sheet from where you want to transfer data. Copy the URL, paste here. You have to delete last words up to edit up to here. Next, put comma, no, colon, close, comma, colon. Next, you have to put the range of a sheet from where to where. For example, I want to put data from A1 to A4, so I have to put range here. A1 ratio A4, colon and bracket off. Here we are done with the function. Press enter. Here it is asking for error. This error is basically up to allow the access. You have to allow the access of transfer data. Click allow access, and here we got data that we transferred from this sheet to this sheet. That's it. You have to just book this function. You have to be very precise in putting the function, so you have to do this. Thanks for watching this video.